Welcome to 2213 Creekwood Court in Navarre, Florida. This home is conveniently located less than 9 miles to Hurlburt Field and 4 miles to beautiful Navarre Beach. This is a wonderful location here in Navarre. As you can see, we have a brick exterior with gutters as well. We have this awesome side pad here that is perfect for boat storage, an RV or jet skis. If you needed that, there is no HOA, so there's no restrictions on having your boat here in your front yard. It's a wonderful feature since we are so close to the water here. We do also have a sprinkler system in this home as well. So coming in here to the main foyer area, we have tile throughout this home, no carpet whatsoever. I'm going to take you into the living space and kitchen first, and then to the bedrooms and baths. So we do have vaulted ceilings in the living space, giving for a very nice spacious feel with a wood-burning fireplace. Lots of natural light coming through these windows in the front room here. This living space is just very open, has a really nice open feel to it, open floor plan. We have a large dining area here with updated fixtures and recessed lighting. Beautiful custom cabinetry with plenty of storage space, as you can see here. Granite countertops, under cabinet lighting, an electric cooktop, built-in microwave, garbage disposal, as well as a really nice sized breakfast bar here. So lots of wonderful features in this kitchen. Again, tons of storage space as well as pull-out drawers here. Just perfect for entertaining here. Now, I'm going to take you over into the master suite first. There is a hall bath here along the way. Here we have our laundry room, and just off the garage entry with some additional shelving above for some storage. First hall bath here on the left-hand side, we have beautiful quartz countertops. Additional storage space, as you can see, new vanity, new light fixtures and mirrors, and a shower tub combo here in this bathroom with a new commode as well. Directly next to, we have the master suite. The flooring in all 3 bedrooms has been upgraded here, so no carpet again in this home. This is luxury vinyl plank. And we do have a private access out to the lanai. Two closets in this bedroom, Here we have a bonus closet on the front side of the bedroom. It is in fact a walk-in. So some additional storage there. Into the master bathroom, we have a linen closet, double quartz vanity. It is the same material as the first bathroom that I showed you. We do have a linen closet in here as well as a beautiful walk-in shower. They've just done a gorgeous job in here. And into the walk-in closet, very sizable. You can see we have 3 layers of shelving here up top, so plenty of storage space in this master closet here. So just a really nice setup here. Again, with that, the lanai opening up to the door opening up to the lanai back here. I'll give you a peek at that, but I did want to take you around the other way. So we're right off the pool here, very convenient. Just next to, we have our 2 additional bedrooms. Again, same flooring as in here. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. A nice bonus to have for sure. And into our 3rd bedroom here. So this bedroom has a TV mount that stays, as well as the master bedroom has a TV mount that stays. All right, now I'm gonna take you into the backyard. Just a wonderful entertaining space here. I can't wait to show you this lanai. We have the French doors that open up here to the back patio. We have a covered lanai here with 2 ceiling fans for additional comfort. We also have power that's run out here as well. So this lanai measures 33 by 15, so a huge outdoor entertaining space. We have a fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence, as well as a very nice sized pool. You can see we do have a child safety gate up, which does come with the home, as well as the pool equipment. And the pool liner here is 2015. So we have, again, a very nice large pool, as well as plenty of additional backyard space as well. This is just the perfect entertaining spot out here. Nice and covered. You've got some ceiling fans out here. We also have some French drains for proper drainage. And again, to the left is the door that leads to the master suite. I will take you back inside and give you one last peek at the kitchen and the main living space. So let us know if you'd like to set up a private showing. We would love to show you, or if you have somebody that would like to see it. Again, this is 2213 Creek Court in Navarre, Florida.